today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off and disable autosave for respondents on your Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google form, and then you want to select the Settings tab up at the top right, and then you want to expand the Presentation dropdown. Should be something that says underneath Restrictions, Disable Autosave for all respondents. Go ahead and click inside that oval to toggle to the right. Please note that respondents will lose their progress if their browser closes or refreshes, and that's all you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.